First step when setting up your AllProWebTools signup box is to go to Contacts and Signup Boxes. And here's where you will enter your new signup box name and then click the plus button to add. And for more information on that, you can refer to our YouTube video on how to set up a signup box. Once you've set up your signup box, you will see all the names of the different signup boxes that you've created here. And these can be accessed from your BalloonSuite account.
So to link your AllProWebTools account to your BalloonSuite website, the first thing you're going to go to is go to Settings and Administrator. And this is where you can access your API key and your API auth token. So you first want to copy the key, come over into your BalloonSuite website, integrations, and here you'll see AllProWebTools. So you want to go ahead and connect it, put in the key, and then you'll copy the API auth, copy that over, and go ahead and add that. Once AllProWebTools is successfully added, you can then go over to any page that you have within your BalloonSuite website, and you will now see an AllProWebTools lead box section. You can add that section anywhere in your page that you want it to go. And when you pull it up, you'll be able to see the list of contact forms that you've created. Just select the form that you want to have. And then when you view that page, that form has been added to that page.